Hiking with giraffes, zebras. Once again, we've got all the giraffes. Beautiful, beautiful sight. Absolutely tame. How's this for a Saturday morning? Giraffe spotting. Bisley Valley Nature Reserve, Saturday morning hike. Another day in Africa. We found some more giraffes here, and they are absolutely so friendly. I'm starting to freak out now. We are so close to them. This is like 5-6 meters. Absolutely beautiful. We are in the middle of Maritzburg, and we also find some zebras, because they come here to drink. Yo, there's a whole lot of them. In the heart of Maritzburg.